Shrub pruning, the art of gardening. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of gardening, focusing on shrub pruning. Pruning is a key aspect of maintaining healthy, beautiful plants. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, understanding this technique is crucial. So, let's get started and learn how to keep our shrubs in great shape. Shrub pruning involves trimming and cutting branches and leaves from shrubs and bushes. It's done for several reasons. 1. Health. Removing dead or diseased branches helps prevent the spread of plant diseases. 2. Shape. Pruning can control the shape of the shrub, keeping it attractive and in proportion to its surroundings. 3. Growth. Regular pruning encourages new growth, keeping the shrub vibrant and full. Before you start pruning, it's essential to have the right tools. Here's what you'll need. Pruning shears, ideal for small branches and ideal for precision work. Loppers, these are larger than shears and perfect for thicker branches. Pruning saw, for the thickest branches, a pruning saw is necessary. Always make sure your tools are clean and sharp to avoid damaging the plants. Pruning is both an art and a science. Here are some best practices. Timing. The best time to prune most shrubs is late winter or early spring. Technique. Make clean cuts at a 45-degree angle, about 1/4 inch above a bud facing the outside of the plant. Balance. Don't over-prune. Remove only about 1/3 of the total growth. Avoid these common mistakes. Over-pruning. Removing too much can stress the shrub. Wrong timing. Pruning at the wrong time can hinder flowering or growth. Dirty tools. Using dirty tools can spread diseases between plants. That's all about shrub pruning. Remember, with the right technique and tools, you can keep your garden looking its best. We hope this video has been informative and helps you in your gardening endeavors. Happy pruning, and see you in the next video.